Drum roll, please. So, Mr. MK, Samson just got here with the trailer and our new Moxie for the shop. So the first thing I hope that you're seeing, you guys, I hope the perspective comes through, is that it's a much more manageable size, just box and frame boxes to handle. So you don't necessarily need an installer to put this together. And that's the whole point of having something smaller, a little bit more manageable. And with the online instruction that we're going to show you, it should be easier for the average home quilter to do this. Okay, so just the Moxie box, 2 boxes for the frame. We're going to get it out. We're going to find a spot in the shop. It's a little bit crowded in there, but we will walk you through just the unboxing and show you some of that online installation instruction that now comes with it. All right, I'm super excited. Here we go. All right, you guys, so we spent a couple of hours today putting our floor model together. And rather than show you every single bit of footage, I'm just going to do a little bit of a compilation of our install. And of course, if you would like the whole video, all of our tips and whatnot for installation, if you're going to buy a Moxie, you can reach out to us and we will send you the entire video. But here is some clips from today's installation of the Moxie at MK Quilts. Here we have our supervisor for the day. Yeah, so we have quickly determined that all of these little flathead screws going to be much easier with. So, ladies, go get your husband's tools. No, don't want to be sexist, but go find the tools. All right, so we're about to do something that we do with all of our owners. It's kind of a fun, silly thing, but we call it birthing the machine. So we've got the table pretty much together, and now we're just about ready to pull the carriage out of the box. So Mr. MK, come and do the honors. Sometimes with the other machines, we have to have one person on each end. Come on, baby.
It usually helps if somebody's holding the box. Okay, women, I don't know how you do it.
Okay, careful.
Tip it over and spank it.
Oh, let's get a pretty picture. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Okay, hold on, hold on. Oh, she is pretty. Look at all the kind of the new branding and the color, a little bit more on the modern side. I love it. All right, you guys. We haven't officially got it in its place or leveled, but I was so excited to get a little bit of fabric loaded up. As I mentioned before, I have it in, I guess what on our bigger frames we call clear view load, and I'm just floating a piece of fabric up there. Okay, so I just took a few stitches. I didn't quite have my little channel lock deal on there correctly, but but it actually sounds pretty good. There's a little cheat sheet that comes with it. This little display in the front is not a touch display, so you are not able to change any of your settings. So you have to use a combination of the handlebars together to get through some of the options here. So I've gotten it on to 12 stitches per inch. And before I hand the phone over to Paul to watch me stitch, I'm just going to check my tension on the bottom. and then we're going to go for it. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys, I am ready to go. Now remember, no judging because I'm a pro stitcher girl. But let's take this Moxie for a tool. Here we go. I have to slow down. I'm out stitching the regulator. If you're hearing that little buzzing, that's because I'm out stitching the regulator. Hey, not too bad for MK, don't you think? You guys, it's actually very light. I mean, even Paul said when he got it out of the box, I mean, he like lifted it up with one hand. It was pretty simple and all in all to put together. The BILT app was actually pretty good. I mean, you just go through it step by step and it was pretty simple. I can tell right away that I'm going to want to get the tabletop on there, and probably just because, you know, I'm 12 and a half years into this and I've always had a tabletop on my frame. But all in all, it's pretty comfortable. Let's do a little bit more. Come on in, Mr. MK.
Melissa and ready.
Ta-da!
Pretty soon.
I suppose all y'all are going to say, now, don't let me ever tell you again that I can't free motion. Yeah, we have much, much more coming in the way of rolling this machine out. We just started our free motion tier on MK Quilts University today. So right now that tier is populated with all of the fantastic ruler classes that Ellen did. We are working with somebody, we don't have an announcement right now, but we're working with somebody that we would like to bring online as kind of an ambassador for MK Quilts and have her do some stuff with the Moxie and bring you along. So here's the deal, you guys. We have one in the shop. Obviously, here it is. We just put it together in a little over 2 hours. I mean, we had to take a couple things off that we did wrong. But what we would like you to do, give us a call or shoot us an email if you want to get one of these on order. Orders to customers are going to be shipping in November, okay? So we want to get your orders in now. We actually have placed a couple of orders for the shop. So we're going to have some here that we can turn around and ship to you right away in the beginning part of November, okay? We are still working on what we're going to kind of recommend as accessories. Tabletop is going to be one of them. Of course, all of the specialty feet, with exception of perhaps the new felting foot, which just came out. I can't guarantee that. But all of the rest of the feet will fit on here. A ruler base will be available. And I'm super excited. I'm way more excited than I thought I would be. Now, there's no Pro Stitcher option on this right now. So you might just want to wait on that. I don't have an announcement about that, but I think perhaps there would be an option at some point in the future. So it's just me here in the shop tomorrow. I've got an event going on in the shop. Ellen is not working tomorrow, so I'm going to be doing some quilting. But when Ellen gets back in the shop on Wednesday, keep an eye out right here on my Facebook page, because her and I will do something. She's got a little project that she wants to quilt, and super, super excited. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming along on this kind of, put it together with MK, PK, and Samson, of course. And we're super excited about this. So get your order in. Keep watching. And until next time, from my studio to yours, happy quilting. Bye-bye.